KLY6/KikiDo45 here, and in today's video I'm going to be redeeming a code that gives you some good things. So let's do this. So the code I am redeeming is called Penguin, and as you can see, I just redeemed the code. It's a promo item. It gives you the penguin and a new pet, which is the pet penguin. This is my friend Kimberly's account, so she's gonna customize it for her.
She's gonna be very mad at you, but she's also gonna be very happy.
I'll customize it Kimberly style.
I'm gonna do I Heart Cats TV.
Oh. It's been
Oh my.
Rename the account. Wait, I wanna name it. Oh wow, my sister just had to rename an account.
Oh wow.
Wow. None of these my friend would like. Okay, you know what? There we go.
It's actually very good.
She would like that one.
You Bunny 46 got renamed. What?
Dr. Frankenbiter,
Kitty Guy.
reveal thyself.
Yeah. I named it Kitty Guy, and she got an achievement. Anyway, so
For that?
Yeah. And sadly, everyone redeem code Penguin. Yes, Penguin.
You all are the lucky 7 chosen for trick.
Okay, so that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.